Not long ago, this man slept beneath a bridge with nothing but a worn jacket and a small bag of belongings. Each night, the sound of traffic overhead reminded him how invisible he had become to the world rushing past. Life had stripped him of stability, piece by piece, then the home, and eventually the relationships he once thought were unbreakable. For a long time, survival was his only goal. Tomorrow felt too far away to imagine. Then came a small opportunity that changed everything. A local organization offered him a temporary job, nothing glamorous. No promises of permanence, just a chance to work for the day. Many people might have doubted it would lead anywhere. He could have dismissed it as pointless or assumed it would end the same way everything else had. Instead, he showed up. He showed up early. He worked hard. And most importantly, he never missed a day. Rain, exhaustion, and lingering self-doubt tried to pull him back into the old rhythm of hopelessness. But each morning, he made the same decision. Take action, even when fear whispered that it wouldn't matter. That temporary job became more than a paycheck. It became proof to himself that he was still capable, still reliable, still worthy of trust. Supervisors noticed, not because he was extraordinary, but because he was consistent. While others came and went, he remained. He asked questions, learned quickly, and treated every task as if it mattered. Over time, the temporary role turned into something more stable. Eventually, he was offered a full-time position with benefits. For the first time in years, he had security, a steady income, health care, a routine that brought dignity back into his life. But the most powerful change wasn't financial, it was personal. With stability came the courage to reach out to his family. Conversations that once felt impossible slowly reopened. Trust was rebuilt, not through words, but through visible change. Today, he is no longer under that bridge. He has a home. He has work he takes pride in. He is reconnected with the people who matter most to him. His life did not change because someone handed him everything he needed. It changed because he took action with what was offered, even when the opportunity seemed small. His story is a reminder that progress often begins quietly. One chance, one decision, one day of showing up. Action consistent, imperfect action can rebuild a life. And sometimes, all it takes to rise is the courage to start.